This is the Wuben X4. I've had it for a minute, and I just gotta say, so damn let's first start off with, this thing feels like, I don't know, but it feels like one of those old toys that are made of die-cast steel. It just has that sturdy feel to it. It's got 4 different pictures for each button function on this little slide button here. So first one is the bottom, and as you can see, there are 4 pictures on there. On the very bottom, you have a lock. Next up, you have a picture of a light that's facing that way. Next up, you have a picture of a light facing this way. And after that, you have a picture of a moon, where that's pretty obvious. So each setting is pretty much telling you, without telling you, what each one is for, or basically where you're going to be at, depending on where that little notch is. So for example, here we're on the lock. So this lock, the light does not do anything. You've got 2 button functions on this flashlight, here and there. And as you can see, nothing happens. Nothing happens. That is lock mode on the Wuben X4. So we've got the lock mode on there. Now when you go the next mode up, you see where we're at now. You have a light that's facing that way, okay? That initiates the side light, which is right there. And the side light, now you do have the option of raising the vibration, raising the power of the light, or lowering the brightness through the scroll. Scroll. So through that scroll, while in that mode, you get this side light. This is great. This is magnetic also, so this is perfect to apply. I've used it a few times and it works outstanding. Now, the extra feature with this side light is if you press down on the main button for maybe 2 to 3 seconds, let's see, 2 seconds, you now get the mode that has different colors. And just like the G4, which if you want to check that out, you can. This light also changes colors through the color scroll, which is pretty cool. I like the color scroll. And let's see, I believe there's an additional feature. If you do a double tap, you get like this SOS feature, depending on where you stopped on the color wheel. I thought there was another one. There might be more. And if you want to go back to the regular light, just double tap, and it goes back to the regular color. And then now from here, if you hold it down, it goes back to the regular side light, which you can control and make brighter or lower, however you see fit, depending on what you got going on. We're gonna turn it off. That was the side light mode. Now we're gonna go, let's see, we went from down, we're gonna go up 1 notch. Now the light picture, the picture of the light is now facing forward, which tells me this is the light, main light I call it, and it's pretty bright. And the same main light you can adjust. You can adjust with the color, with the wheel, And let's see, if you double tap, does anything happen? Nothing happens when you double tap. Hold it down. Nothing happens. So it seems like that's the only function for that mode is your main light, and you can control how bright you get the brightest availability with that mode. All right, and finally, the obvious notch. The obvious one on there, the last one is moon, which gives you the moonlight, a very, very soft light. And that's the only brightness when it comes to moon. What else do you need besides that moonlight, right? What else is there? Okay. Beyond this, beyond your main light, and of course you've got now the switch which tells you what mode you're in. There's also like a quick access button here in the bottom, turbo button if you want to call it, where if you're on the moon mode and you tap it, you get the moonlight as a quick, button press. Tap it, turns on, turns off. Simple, right? So let's go now to the main light. And here when you tap it, so holding it down, you get that powerful, beautiful light. Double tap, you get some type of sprinkler action. And there you go. So now we're gonna go to the side light notch and press it the same way. And you get now same light. Is this the same light? So somehow you get a turbo light as well on that same button. And now we're gonna go to, and then from there you have lock, which in the lock mode, you can do nothing. The battery does come out. There's a little button that you press and you push it down. And once you do that, you can kind of pop the battery out. Let's see. Okay, lock. Now I'm unlocked. Okay, there we go. And battery comes out. Snaps in. The way that you charge it on the actual device is through that same switch. When you push it all the way up towards as if it was in the moon setting, then you've got access to the Type-C charge port, which allows you to charge it up. A very sophisticated light. I've used this light and I must say, very, very useful, very, very handy. The magnet is absolutely degen when it comes to lights. This light is my new favorite light. I'll say that. Every light that Wuben has sent me has been very, very worth my time and very, very worth the action. Love the light. There'll be a link in the description. That way you can get your hands on the same exact Wuben X4. If you're into this, and if you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. Join the Degen tribe. Thanks for tuning in to this Degency.